Hello, everyone. Today we are going to practice something extremely important for English learners: how to talk about yourself. This is the first thing people ask you in conversations, interviews, classes, and real life. So today we will guide you slowly, peacefully, and clearly. And please like the video, subscribe. Your support helps us make long English videos for you.
Yes, many learners think that talking about themselves needs advanced English. But the truth is, it doesn't. You can speak about yourself with very simple words. And when you use simple English, people understand you better. So today, we will show you many examples, many sample sentences, and many natural conversations.
Let's start step by step. When you talk about yourself, the first thing you say is your name. But you don't need just one sentence. You can use many variations. I'm Rima. My name is Rima. You can call me Rima. My full name is Rima Akhtar, but most people call me Rima.
Yes, and if you want to speak longer, you can add a short, friendly sentence. Nice to meet you. I'm happy to introduce myself. Let me tell you a little about me. These small phrases make your speaking sound more natural and confident.
Now let's talk about where you're from. You can say, I'm from Bangladesh. I was born in Bangladesh. I live in Dhaka. I grew up in Sylhet. I'm currently living in Chittagong.
If you want to make your answer longer, add emotional or interesting details. I'm from a beautiful village in Bangladesh. I live in Dhaka, a very busy and exciting city. I grew up in a small town where everyone knows each other.
Great. Now let's talk about age. Easy sentences. I'm 20 years old. I'm 18. I'm in my early 20s. I just turned 21.
You can also add how you feel about your age. I feel young and motivated. I feel excited about my future. I'm at a good stage in my life.
Now comes your job or daily occupation. Students often only say, I'm a student, but we can make it longer. I'm a student and I love learning new things. I'm a teacher and I enjoy helping people. I work in a shop and I meet many different customers. I'm looking for a job right now. I'm trying to improve my English for future opportunities.
Yes, even if your job is simple, you can make your sentence more interesting. I'm a student and I'm studying science. I'm a shopkeeper and my shop is in my local market. I help my family with business. I'm working part-time and studying English too.
Now let's talk about your personality. This makes your introduction unique. I'm a friendly person. I'm a quiet person. I'm talkative with close friends. I'm hardworking and focused. I'm a positive person. I'm calm and patient.
You can combine them. I'm friendly and I enjoy meeting new people. I'm a quiet person, but I open up when I feel comfortable.
Now let's talk about hobbies and interests. This part can be very long because hobbies show your personality. I like reading books. I enjoy cooking. I love traveling. I like photography. I enjoy watching movies. I like learning languages. I love music. I enjoy playing games. I like exercising and walking.
You can also add reasons. I love cooking because it helps me relax. I enjoy reading because I learn new ideas. I like traveling because I want to explore different cultures.
Now let's talk about your family. Many learners only say, I have a small family, but you can expand it. I live with my parents. I have one brother and one sister. My family is loving and supportive. My father is a hard-working man. My mother is kind and caring. My siblings make me laugh every day.
You can add emotions. My family is very important in my life. I love spending time with my family. My family always encourages me to learn English.
Now let's talk about your daily routine. Daily routine makes your introduction realistic. I wake up early every day. I go to school or work. I study English for 1 hour. I help my family in the evening. I eat dinner with my family. I relax before sleeping. I sleep at 11 p.m.
You can add more details. I like to start my day with a cup of tea. After lunch, I take a short break. In the evening, I go for a walk. Before sleeping, I watch English videos.
Now, one of the most powerful parts, your dreams and goals. My dream is to speak English fluently. I want to travel to foreign countries. I want to get a good job. I want to support my family. I want to continue my studies. I want to become more confident.
You can add deeper meaning. I want to change my life step by step. I want to become a better version of myself. I want to learn, grow, and succeed.
Now let's build a very long, full self-introduction. Listen carefully. My name is Reema. I'm from Bangladesh and I live in Dhaka. I'm 20 years old. I'm a student and I'm also learning English every day. I'm a friendly and positive person. I love meeting new people and learning new things. I have a small family. I live with my parents and my younger brother. My family is very important to me. They support me in everything I do. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, cooking, watching movies, and listening to music. I also like walking in the evening because it helps me relax. Every day I try to practice English. I watch videos, write small sentences, and sometimes speak with my friends. My dream is to speak English fluently, travel to many countries, and build a better future for myself and my family. I want to learn more about the world and meet people from different cultures.
Wonderful. Now let's make a second long version with a different style. Hello, I'm Hassan. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Bangladesh and I live in Sylhet. I'm a student and I also work part-time. I'm a calm and hardworking person. I like learning, exploring, and creating new ideas. I live with my parents and two younger sisters. My family is big, warm, and supportive. We love spending time together. Every day, I wake up early, go to class, and then work. After that, I study English because I want to improve step by step. I enjoy watching English movies, reading articles, cooking new foods, and talking with my friends. My dream is to speak English fluently so I can get better opportunities. I want to travel, I want to grow, and I want to inspire others. I want to make my family proud.
Perfect. These long versions are ideal for long speaking practice.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to talk about yourself. You just need courage, simple words, and practice.
Yes, just speak, just try, just start, because your English is valuable, your story is beautiful, and your voice deserves to be heard.